IronCAD 2020 has enhanced its 2D catalog capability to support additional annotation types. For example, now you can store feature control frames, your datum features and datum targets, along with surface texture symbols, weld symbols, and text with leaders in your catalogs. For example, let's go ahead and create a new catalog. And we can store any one of these by simply selecting on the item, dragging, and dropping it into the catalog, and it will store it into the catalog. So if these were common elements that we would reuse in other files, we can store these in here, give them a name, as for example. And if we want to reuse those, you can drag those and drop those out onto any drawing, any new drawing or existing drawings that you have. Just simply by dragging and dropping those out to where you place, it will actually remember that information and the size of your annotation and drop it out in place. If you want to associate to your geometry, this is the same with other elements in the IronCAD 2D catalogs. Hold your Shift key down when you drag and drop and select an edge or a face, and it will actually associate to that geometry. So if the modification to your geometry changes, this will also update and change relative to that modification. So that's a nice feature. Again, this can be reused on any drawing, any view that you have on your drawing. Those can be drag and dropped out, and it's a really nice way to store standard elements beyond just your text elements. But now you can actually store various symbols that may take a longer time to fill out that you reuse often. You can actually fill those out, stick them into the catalog, and drag and drop them when you need them. Enjoy.